how to join a Terraria server via IP. So first is open the multiplayer menu from the main title screen first. So it's just right here below the single player option. And here you will see the option of joining via IP at the top. So just click on that, then select the character you want to use on that server that you want to join. So I'm just going to use this. Next is you will want to enter the server IP address. So just basically type in the server's exact IP address precisely as it was given to you, along with the correct matching port number as well. And just a quick tip, the default Terraria port is almost always 7777. So if your friend doesn't specifically mention one, try that number first before assuming anything's wrong. And once everything is entered correctly, hit connect or accept right here, and you'll drop straight into their world. That's how you basically join a Terraria server via IP.